Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Apple leather case in forest green for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, and here we have the packaging for the leather case. And very nice box as you might expect from Apple. It does say it's natural leather right there. And this is the forest green. And you just pull it out like that. And then you can take out the case right now. Tells you how to put it in with the ringer in first. And yeah, here's the case. A little information here. It does say that the leather can show crease, marks, or patina over time, as leather does. And booklet here. First impressions. This case feels really light and thin. And very soft to the touch, which I like. Very soft leather. And the metal buttons are also very smooth and metallic. You'll see the glisten right there. Really nice. You can see that the plastic of the camera ring blends evenly into this felt material, which is really soft and nice. And you'll see even by the cutouts, there's not much thickness. Feels nicely built. Now this doesn't have padding or drop protection like the Rhino Shield has. As you can see, there's a lot of padding here. Feel free to check out my review of this if you're interested. Yeah, let's just put in the phone now. That's how you know we've put the Apple case in. Very solid case. I do like this. Now let's check the case fit. How does it fit? Now, there's no pull here on the edges, which is really nice. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off too easily, but I must say it can pop out with one hand right here. So some other cases I have tried, they don't pull off that easily, but this one does, so be wary. Don't try to drop your phone in this case, at least. I have the Spigen Easy screen protector placed down here. I got that for $16 on Amazon. You'll see that there's edges all around. Yeah, so this screen protector is a case-friendly screen protector, so it doesn't go to edge. Yeah, you could probably get an edge-to-edge screen protector if you wanted to, and it would cover even that little space you have here. But the fit is very nice. It does feel well built. Note, this case only weighs 30 grams, so that's very light. Let's do a button test. How clicky is it? It is very clicky, and it feels like I'm pressing the actual buttons. Yeah, all three buttons work great. Now, for the cutouts, you'll see there are 4 holes on this side and 6 holes on this side, and they are perfectly cut out, so you're not getting extra room here, which is really nice. Charger hole is very ample. Let's check out the ringer one. Yep, no problem getting in there. The speaker is exposed, so that's good. You'll be able to hear everything on your speaker. Now, let's check the camera lip. There is a lip, and it does go out taller than the actual camera lenses, so that is nice. You can put this on the table without an issue. Hey, look, Be Real went off. But let's check the rocking. Does it rock? Yep, it does rock, which is expected since there is that camera. Now, with front protection, there is a lip around the front. It's really faint, but it is there, so you can put your phone face down without a problem. Taking it off is also pretty easy. Just get it off. And then within 8 seconds, so very quick. Overall, if I were to summarize, very solid case, feels great, very thin, very light, doesn't have too much bulk. Any downsides would be it could potentially come off pretty easily, and it is on the pricier end of phone cases at $60 full price. However, note that you can get it on sale sometimes, because I got this from Target for $44 instead during Black Friday weekend, so keep your eye out. You might find a discount somewhere. But yeah, overall, very nice case, and it feels really good. So should you buy this case? I would say if you want a thin, light Apple case, then go for it. If you want extra protection, this might not be the case for you because this doesn't have any labeled drop protection on it at least. Overall, I love the color though. This green, spectacular. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, definitely leave a like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. I will definitely be replying to comments, so I'll see you there. And if not, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.